It's Kobe. Took the glasses off so I could see the camera. You can see my bike and me. I don't usually vlog, but I'm vlogging right now, apparently. I wanted to say thanks to Lithium Cycles. I just got an email. They did a great job on their event. I want to say they had, I'll have to ask, but I think they had at least 500 people. I showed up at 5 minutes after and there was already a line of people there. And there was a good, I think 75 folks. I was also impressed with all of the owners of bikes that were there. Really cool. I think more e-bike companies should do stuff like that. I believe, really? Is that another notification? I also, what else? Oh yeah, the other thing I was gonna tell you is that e-biking, so not only is it great for the community, but it's also good for your health. I myself, since I've had this for 2 years, I've lost about 10 pounds. I was definitely 10 pounds heavier than what I am today. So that's a win. Oh yeah, and I should show you the shirt that I got. Let's see if I can turn around. So this is gonna be the best video ever. Put this around like that so you can see. That's the Super 73. I don't know if that's turning out well. Like I can't really tell very well. So my apologies, but that's the best I can do. So yeah, that was nice. I thought they were gonna run out of shirts. There were definitely more than 50 people in line, but I think they had extra. They were just kind of being conservative, and rightfully so. Anyway, then on the Rad, I was going to show you some stuff on that too. Let's flip the camera around. Okay, well let's not flip the camera around. Let's just show you like this. This is my Asus phone that I'm filming on, and I'm not used to these settings, but apparently once you start a certain way, you can't flip it back. All right, things I like on my bike. This light is still a win. I've had this one for a while. The only mistake that I made is with this cable, it was kind of dangling, got stuck in here and yanked, and you can see it's kind of pulled. Not the best thing, but it's USB to an external resource, so you don't tap in your main battery. What are my other wins? This is my second favorite brake light. I need to put the other one, the round circular one, which is awesome, and like auto brakes. This one just blinks and flashes. And it did come with like a handlebar thing that you can use, and that was kind of gadgety, and it ended up not working, so whatever, threw that out. The ones that are just automatically sensing the braking, like that little round one, I love that thing. So you'll see that back on here today. This guy, I don't know. It's nice in case of emergency that it works and stuff, but I'm kind of indifferent on that thing. But it's nice to, like I said, it's nice as a backup. This mount system I've got is my favorite for 360. It's the best. It pulled back so people can see how fast I'm going, the wattage, things like that. This guy is a nice win as well. I do like this, a lot of these mounts now that are in there that's where my phone goes. And oh yeah, this seat post, 20 bucks. And I've tried others, as you guys have seen, but this one is surprisingly good. Initially, I was totally not sure about it, if I can say that, but I'm actually very happy with it now. It's kind of hard to see the screen. So it took it a while, but once it got smoothed out, it actually works really well. So for the price, it's a win. I like that. And then I'm at, did you see that? I'm at almost 4,000 miles. It timed out on me. Bear with me, last thing, and then we're gonna hang up. We're gonna hang up the phone. 3,937 miles. So there you go. We're almost done. That's all I got. You guys take care. See ya. Bye.